Welcome back, guys. So there's another underrated feature here on X Premium. Let me show you the feature I'm talking about. So I'll come to my X Premium dashboard right now, and some of the features were highlighted to us. And one of those feature is that we can see a reply boost, which is very very important. So let me show you what that literally means. So a reply boost is something that would take you actually far, and you could see my X Premium subscription would expire soon. That's what it's trying to say right now. So what I want to show you is one of those features. So let me just show you from here. Let me show you that feature from here. So let me come to S Premium on the free account, and you're going to see what I'm trying to talk about. So when you come to S Premium on the free account, you don't have a dashboard. You'll be told to subscribe. So look at this. Look at this larger reply boost. Is very very important. This has a small reply boost. This has a larger reply boost. Then you have a check mark. So you have a check mark when you subscribe with this, but with this you don't have a check mark. So check mark is what I have right now. So you see a check mark on my profile, which is the used to be Twitter verification, but now you can actually use your money to get it, and that's what the check mark is all about. So right now I want to just show you what I was talking about. So I'll come to this, and I was saying this is an underrated feature. So with this, to get more impression, it's always good to reply on viral posts. I've spoken about you replying on viral posts before, but with premium, you're going to have a larger boost when you reply on viral posts. So what it means is that when you reply on viral posts, your reply is likely to be seen by a lot of people, which is one of the criteria for monetization, because you need more impression to be monetized. So one of the things you could do is always reply on viral posts, but be careful how you reply. You cannot be too careful actually, but you can reply. So let me show you some of the things how it worked for me. That is replies. So come to your replies right here in your profile. So I came to my profile, and here you're going to see my replies. So you come to my replies right here, and this I add a reply here. So let me check this. So I reply to this post, and you see my own reply. You see my very own reply, which is this. So from this reply alone, because this is a viral post, the post had over 8.2k, that is 8,000, over 8,000 likes, 725 retweets, 630 comments. So one of those comments is mine, and here I gave a detailed comment, and you could see the likes alone is 75 likes, and the retweets is, or the post is 5 likes. This happened 17 hours ago. As you could see, it happened 17 hours ago, and we have the replies from people. So people were able to engage with this post, and it gave me 22k impression, 22k view, and this will add to analytics. That's what it literally means. So here you could see it has 1 million views. The original post has 1 million views. My reply has 22,000 views out of the 1 million views. So this is one of the underrated feature here on X, since you can reply more than 280 characters. So I gave a detailed reply, and I had all these people under the reply. So not just that, I did more. So the reply boost is one of the ways you can increase your impression. So let me just come right here, and you see more replies I did, and you would always see that replies goes like fast and well. So you could just come right here, and let's see, I have other replies I did. So you could always come right here to see other replies, and I have them numerously, the ones that performed well. I could not really remember. So see a reply again, a reply under a viral post. This is the post right here, but I replied here, and it only has 3 likes, but has 6.9 impression. At least I get some impression from there. I got some impression from there, and you could always come and see what we have. So we have more replies, and you could always come to viral posts. Target viral post is very very important. So because virality will bring more impression to you and all that. So that is how to use the reply boost, which is very very important. It could actually boost your own impression as well, and which is what I've done, and it's another way to go about like you getting monetized or having the right impression for monetization. We're going to talk about monetization and the requirements for monetization, of course, but right now you could see that is how to go about this. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.